Today I'll show you how to make a bootable USB or CD direct from the Microsoft Windows 10. First we open the Google browser and writing download Windows 10 and we click the first answer. First result, click here, direct download from that from here. Click there. Click here and now first result, then download the tab now. Let me see a little bit. It's a download now and click the download now. To get started free installation Windows 10, you can download and run. Okay, download now. Click the download now. Then open the download file. Double click and then click yes. Let me see what happened. Then getting a few things ready. Now we have to wait. Now this page coming. Now we have to click the accept. And wait, let me see. Before starting do this, we have to connect the USB with the computer. Make sure before starting this system, we have to connect the USB flash drive with the computer. Now we see over here, you see the upgrade this PC now and create a installation media, USB flash drive, DVD, IOC and other. Then I have to click create a installation media, click it and click the next. Then we have to select the language United States, Windows 10, USB 64, untick over here, untick and let me see, we have to make it both 32 and 64. We have to make both and we have to make this untick and then click the next. Then USB flash drive at least 8 GB. I already set up a 16 GB. IOC, this is the for the Apple product. I don't need, I need the USB. I make the USB flash drive. Then click here and then click the next. Then the file on USB drive will be deleted. To keep this file, back them now and another. Okay, click the next. Let me see. Okay, then click finish. And let me see what happened. D drive. Okay. This is the USB flash drive, everything about here. And now we can click the disconnect, eject. Okay. Now take out the flash drive. That's it. This is the now USB flash drive to bootable USB. This one now Windows 10 inside. I can use this to install any other computer. Thank you for watching this video.